Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Lelit Bianca. Came into the shop because there were leaks in several parts of the machine. There was a hissing noise coming from the top, and then there was a leak coming from the rear left of the machine. And it was going through the whole tank in a day and a half. That's how much water was leaking. It turned out that two of the culprits of leakage were the boiler safety valve and the vacuum relief valve here. So we just had those replaced. Another thing we noticed was the exhaust for the group head itself was leaking, and that had to do with this valve losing its seal. It goes in the bottom section of the group head like that. And then lastly, the leak in the rear on the left was at the heating element for coffee. So we ended up replacing the gasket here. So right now, as it heats up, there's a little bit of water coming out of the exhaust here, but none of it's coming prematurely out of the exhaust coming from the group head. So I'm just going to do a test. This is our test coffee. We don't have it dialed in or calibrated for this machine. This is just showing that it'll work. But here we go. And it's a little fast, but that entirely has to do with the grounds that we put in and how much. But there we go. Thank you for watching.